I will try to fly my drone and see what is the situation down the road here. See the condition down the road here, and how serious the flooding has caused yesterday. They say that there's a feet or a feet and a half thick of mud down the road here, and even by 4x4 pickup truck like ours is not able to travel through. So let's see what is going on. Everybody here are awake and trying to figure out how to get out from this dangerous place. Some of them are calling Bomba, asking for help. Some of them are also doing their work to clear out the mud down the road. And I also have heard just now that couples of this wiring post has collapsed and blocked the road as well. So let's find out what's going on.
Itu dekat jabatan sini saya itu kampung ada rumah 5 6.